Hey there, loan officers. It's Scott Groves, head coach of Consolidated Coaching here with HomeIQ, reminding you before we jump into the coaching that HomeIQ solves 3 problems, helps you keep in touch with your previous client, gives you a monthly call list of who to call and keep in touch with, and gives you a value add service to call your realtors with. On to our coaching. One of the other things I love about HomeIQ is they've got a bunch of done for you marketing. And you can find most of this underneath the homeowners tab banners section. And in the banner section, you will see different marketing pieces that you can throw up on social media to try to get new leads into your system. So, for example, if home equity is a big talking point in your market, you can come here to the Use Your Home Equity banner, and you can either download the picture while sharing a link, or you can just share this directly to Facebook. It will give you a suggested caption. It will give you a link directly to your home equity report so that as clients interact with this, whether you put this on Facebook, other social media, LinkedIn, Instagram, etc., or you email this out as a picture and an opportunity for your clients to fill things out. The way that we've done this is we've either put it on social media, not as much traction, or emailed it out to our entire database of existing and past clients, whether they bought a home or they were pre-approved. And it simply says something to the effect of, hey, if you want to get a monthly home report, no spam, no funnels, no filters, no anything, one email once a month that details the value of your house, very similar to how you would get an investment snapshot or a portfolio report from any of your other investable assets or your 401k. We've sent this out by email and given one of the links from these banners along with the picture for them to just sign up and find out about what's going on with the equity in their home, or to get a home report, or to treat their home like an asset. There's a ton of options here as far as marketing to either cold clients on social media, warm clients, people already in your database, or the holy grail would be to get your realtors to share this with their database of clients, new clients, past clients, and get them to input their information. And so you're just getting more individuals into your home IQ, more eyeballs on a report that's branded from you, and more likelihood that when the time comes to buy, sell, or refinance a house, you're their first phone call because you've been dripping out valuable information on the value of their house each month. So look into this banners tab and see what marketing you might want to use. I recommend also clicking over here to the home wealth and looking at some of the tabs here as far as investing in your home, tracking your home's value and equity. This one here specifically, track your home's value and equity. This has performed the best for us as far as getting people to say, okay, there's not like a sales gimmick here. They're not trying to get me to do a refinance. They're just looking to give me something free once a month. This has played really well for us in email marketing. So check out the banners. Use this as a tool to get more people in your home IQ, because remember, in any database of existing homeowners, about 7% of them will buy, sell, refinance a house, buy a second home, buy an investment property in any given year. Up market, down market, high interest rates, low interest rates. About 7% of your database are going to do some type of real estate transaction. So right now, we've got 1,000 people in our home IQ. Theoretically, about 70 of those should be doing a transaction in this upcoming year. So it's my job to stay in front of them with tools like Home IQ by using the pre-mover score. And I want to build the number of people that I have in my Home IQ report by using tools like this banner.